Okay, so today I'm going to be trying Peep flavors I never tried before. I actually don't like Peeps, so yeah. But also, it's not close to Easter, but that's okay. So first we have a Dr. Pepper one, which I'm scared to. Sour watermelon, and party cake, which I'm most excited for party cake. Least excited for Dr. Pepper. So yeah, I'm going to first try sour watermelon. Okay. I'll be able to slip in them because, ooh, they're green. Oh, you see that? It's pink in the middle. It's pink in the middle. Okay, that's cool. There's pink in the middle. And I got the chick ones. 3, 2, 1. I don't like Peeps. But, oh, that was a weird noise. But it's actually made better than like original. It's pink in the middle. That's cool. Oh, get that out of here. Okay, I'm gonna rate that out of 1 to 10. Oh, there's like sprinkles everywhere. 1 to 10. A 5. It's like I can taste the sourness, but it's not like sour really. So next, I want to say birthday cake for last because that seems like it's gonna be the best. So I'm scared for this one, Dr. Pepper. If you don't like Peeps, don't feel offended. I mean, if you like Peeps, don't feel offended that I don't like them. Oh, that one's I. And if you like Dr. Pepper, oh, this one's just white in the middle. I'm scared. This one actually smells like Dr. Pepper. Wait, what does this one smell like? That one smells like watermelon. This one smells like actual Dr. Pepper. Oh, that's not bad. Oh wait, it's not bad. It tastes like, I took a little bite. It just tastes like Dr. Pepper marshmallow. Get out of here. Then, this is going really fast. Then, oh yeah, I didn't get the original because it's the original. It's just gonna taste like marshmallow. Then we got my favorite, well, I'm most excited for, birthday cake one. And we got they should do this for the bunny ones too, not just the chicken. There's like this little like confetti thing, but they hurt. Oh, I actually don't like the smell of that one. That hurts. They're like, you see that? They're pokey. This one actually stinks the most to me. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, this one tastes the ew. Oh, you're hanging out. I can't find a napkin. This one's the worst. Birthday cake. This one's actually, to me, the worst. Ew. My favorite was the sour watermelon. Then actually the Dr. Pepper. And then the birthday cake. It actually tastes really bad to me. If you like birthday cake, don't feel offended. What? Oh, you want to try one here? I don't like for the birthday cake because I don't know why. It just tastes bad. I don't like Peeps, but this one's my favorite because it also smells real good. That doesn't. This one was my second favorite. It just tastes like Dr. Pepper. And that's all. Bye. You should go subscribe to my channel. Bye.